Hey curious people, so I've got another free cycle find. It is a chunky old monitor, but not one of the really old chunky ones, but chunky enough for me to want to have a look in. So it's an Evesham. You've got the dials on the bottom. It's heavy, it's very heavy. So first things first, let's get the cord off of there. I'm going to just snip it away for now. Just when you see the... Guys, I don't think this has ever been used. That's still got a protector on it. Oh, look at those. Nice gold pins there. You see? Multi-layered. Okay. I thought the screen, maybe they'd stuck that little protector thing on there when they put it away. It's been in someone's loft. Yeah, okay. Right. Let's have a little look. So I'm just going to take all the screws out and come back to you. Okay, so lots of screws. All just ordinary screws though, nothing spectacular. Ooh. Looks good in there. I like. Okay, that's just steel. Well, that is a chunk of steel though. What do you reckon? Good flying saucer mould? Yeah. UFO in the house. Huh. Quirky. Okay. Let's just come around to this side. Now I have unscrewed what I can down the bottom. I know there'll be screws, but I'm just trying to get it out of my way before that point, because it will be easier. Okay, so losing light here, which is grim. Let's see if I can splice this open. Ah, little power board in there. Okay, so that's all the information on here of the year. Assembled in the UK. No, can't see anything about the year on there. Okay, so actually what I'd really like is just to get this whole thing off. Maybe a screw. Where is it? Yeah, here we go. And this will be the last thing, and then I think I'll call it a day. Got to work an extra day tomorrow, unfortunately. Well, I say work. It's not really work, it's for work. It's I've got to do my lifeguard training, which I haven't done. I missed the last one because I had an operation, quite a big operation, so mine's actually been expired for, longer than the rest. So that's going to be an in the pool jobby, and no, it's not because I'm a lifeguard or anything like that. I work with autistic teenage girls in a special school, and that might be aluminium. Oh, I was saving the screws to put the screen back together. Oh, it's not. No, it's steel. Yeah, so it's just for us to be able to swim with them in our pool. Oh. Okay. Right. Nice brassy connectors. This is heavy. This is the board. Obviously a couple of transformers, heat sinks, MOSFETs. So I suspect this is one big heat sink. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, lovely. That's a nice chunk. In fact, let's weigh that up. Okay, so I've just dinked off the plastic. Let's just quickly weigh this heatsink up. I do need to just also get the two little brass. I'm just going to have to knock those. Oh, hang on. I can't because... So I just need to get those out. Let's just zero that. Let's see what this heatsink weighs. 362 grams. Very nice. It's not very big, is it? But it is chunky. Heavy in weight. Okay. So onto the actual monitor itself. No real brass screws there, just coloured. That's brass. That was a connector of the missed the wiring. Okay, so that's the pivot arm for the... That is steel. That is steel. And even what looks like brass on the end there isn't. So I've undone all the... I should be able to just splice this off now. But I'm not sure how easy it's going to be. I'm going to put it in the vise because it's going to fall over on me. So we'll just vice it up. Don't want to push the screen. I'll go this little one, but I'll go the big. There we go. That's basically all the encouragement this thing needs. Just popping those seals. There we are. And that will just mean that when I bring it out, it should just separate like so. Okay. Now, I'm going to undo all these screws just to see what's behind here. Okay, so I've undone all the screws. Okay, so I'm going to lift out the actual screen. It's heavy. So, let's still... There are even steel standoffs. That's steel. That's steel. that's still, the back of the screen isn't. Okay, let's put that there for a second. Okie dokie, so, okay, all screws removed, got carried away. So, here we have some ribbon. Very unusual. I've never seen ribbon wire that looks like that before. I would imagine there'd be gold in there, but it's not giving much away. Okay, so, haha! There we go. So that is still, unfortunately, double check it. Yeah. All screws out. So, what have we got here? Two lovely obvious copper coils. And some ICs, and some diodes, capacitors. These transformer modules have also got copper in there. Okay, and then on this bit, we have got the main chip. Very nice. Huge crystal there, look at that. Massive. And a MOSFET. Another crystal. Some gold pins down here, can you see? IC obviously. Okay. So that's the two boards on there. Okay, so got this lovely bit of copper. That is right up my street. Yes, please. And some, no, they're not gold pins, but yeah, lovely copper. And then this other little board here, it's just got the main chip there. Just basically little bits and bobs on there, a little tiny bit of copper in there. That's it, it's actually just to connect the screen up. But yeah, really happy with that little bit of copper. Lovely. Just move this to one side. Okay guys, so that's what we got out of the monitor. Nice chunky piece of aluminium. Power board, two little boards on the monitor screen, and then the flying saucer shaped bottom panel, which is steel, but I'm going to keep it because it's weirdly cool. Alright, well, there we are. That's it, I'm done for the day. I've lost too much light, you can probably even hardly see anything. But basically I'll get back out here as soon as I can. I've got to work 3 days this week. Doesn't sound like a lot. I do cram 13 hours into one of my shifts, so I try and squeeze it into as fewer days as possible. Okay, right, well, I will catch you in the next one. Take care, bye.